kind of blends. Whoa, these two are just... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be recreating this freaking gorgeous look. I have so many words right now. One, today's the first day of fall and I'm so freaking pumped. Two, this eye look, oh my word, y'all. Ohmglashes, she did a look like this. Once I saw it, I was like,
oh my god, I have to recreate this.
And I knew I wasn't gonna be able to do as good as she does because she's like bomb, but I feel like I did pretty good. I am loving it. So this is gonna be the first of many fall looks on my channel. I love fall. I love fall makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to see how I got this fall look, then please keep watching. Okay, so to start today's look, I already went ahead and did my brows. I've been sticking to my new makeup routine that I did a couple videos back, and I've been loving it. So I'm gonna jump right into eyeshadow now. I'm just gonna be using the Morphe Copper Spice 25A palette. It looks as such very fall-y, nude, warm tones. I am going to start off with some eyeshadow primer. This is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. I'm just kind of like packing this on, not on the full length because I have like concealer right there, but I just want to like get this on the main part of my lid. I don't want it to dry really because I need it a little bit wet and tacky for my eyeshadow to stay for this. This is a lot on this side. Whoopsies. I never really used to use eyeshadow primer or anything like that. If I did, it was just like my concealer that I had left over on my face and put it on my eyes, but I've really been enjoying it. I feel like it does make a difference with your eyeshadow. Gosh, look at that. That is like gooped on there. Already starting off not too hot. I guess I'm just gonna go use my finger and blend out the rest. I feel like fingers are like one of the most underrated tools for eyes. They just work so good. Look at that. So good. I don't know what's going on with this side. This is like so much. Okay, so our eyeshadow primer is on. I'm just gonna take a big flat brush and I'm gonna go straight into this deep dark brown shade Destination right here. And I'm just gonna start the lower end of my eye and start just packing that on. This is the reason why we want that eyeshadow primer to still be wet and tacky, is because we really want this eyeshadow to stick to our eye. I'm only taking this color to like the real crease of my eye. I'm not taking it any further than that, and then I am kind of winging it out. Looking a little crazy, but it looks good so far. Next, I'm gonna take like a medium size blending brush and we're gonna go into this shade Layered right here. It's kind of like this, like a light burnt orange color. I love this shade. And we're just going to blend right at where we left off with the dark shade and into our crease. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm working with, but I think it's so pretty, so fall-y. But I want this shade to kind of stand out more. I feel like we're kind of wiping away our deep shade down at the bottom, so oh, that's just so pretty. Okay, so I think I got that done. Now I want kind of like a yellowy shade. I'm gonna actually jump into my Profusion Cosmetics Sultry palette and take this kind of adventurous shade and just go a little bit higher with that color, just to give it a little more oomph. Okay, I think that does that. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner and create a wing. Y'all, I just did not record any of what I did to my eyes, or actually like my eyeliner and my glitter liner. I want to cry right now. Oh my god, it was like the best thing ever. So that was definitely a fail. I don't want to take it off and redo it because this looks so good. So I guess I'm just gonna tell you what I did, and I'm so sorry. Maybe I'll do it in another video. I don't know. But I just really want to like cry right now. Moment of silence, RIP. Anyways, I went in with the e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner and did a wing, and then I also went in with the e.l.f. Flirty Birdie glitter and just kind of went over the top of my eyeliner. I just can't, like, I'm so sad. But yeah, now we're just gonna move on. I'm not gonna put my eyelashes on. I'm gonna save those for last so these can fully dry. And then I just put on some sunscreen and some moisturizer and some of the Professional primer from Benefit. And yeah, that's everything I did while apparently I wasn't filming. Now moving into the face, I'm going to be mixing two foundations today. The ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation in the shade Medium Dark 135W and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Just because that ColourPop foundation is actually too dark for me, so I'm just going to be adding in a little bit of this foundation, which is too light for me. So I cannot even believe that just happened to me. I mean, I know it happens to people all the time, and I know they're always like, oh, I wiped off my makeup and start over. No, there's no way I'm wiping this off and starting over, because I know the second I do that, I'm gonna redo it and I'm never gonna be able to make it look this good again. So, and I'm just using the Total e.l.f. sponge. I feel like I used too much of the light color, but whatever. Okay, you guys have to go for a second. Okay, foundation is on, a little crazy, but we're moving on. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. Not going in with too terribly much. And then I'm gonna go in a little more. The reason why I always like go in again in different slots with this concealer is because it's so fast drying that I don't want it to dry on my face in like lines. So I'd rather go in multiple times instead of it just be like stuck like that on my face. It's like very gloomy out today, so I'm sorry if the lighting is like really bad. Now I'm gonna go in with the Ciete London Everyday Vacay setting powder, and I'm just gonna use the same sponge and just kind of set everywhere we put that concealer. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. This is the light palette. I'm going to be taking like a really fat, short dome brush, and I'm going to mix the shade Light Sculpt and Havana. And I don't take much, I just kind of like dab it just to give it a little natural contour. I know it looks really dark on camera. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade,
I don't know how to pronounce that.
It's the IPANEMA Sun. This is an oldie, but I'm just going back to like my old favorites right now for like my face, and I don't mind it. So yeah, that contour palette was old that I haven't really used. This is old. I'm going to be using my old favorite highlight. Like, who am I? I hope this looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. Now I'm going to use a little angled brush to contour my nose. And I'm just going to take my Total Face sponge and just kind of go over all that to blend it. Now taking a big fluffy brush, holding the end of it, we're just going to go buff out all the harsh lines.
I feel like I have freaking makeup all over my hands.
For blush, we're just going to use my friggin' go-to. It's the Rimmel London Maxi Blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks. Just kind of stipple this right on top of our bronzer. Ooh, the sun is coming out, okay. For highlight, we are going in with my OG Anastasia Glow Kit, and we're going to be mixing these two shades right here, and I'm just going in with an Olimar brightening brush. I'm just going to dab into both and then apply. I forgot how good this highlight was until I used it yesterday, and I'm like,
why did I ever stop using it?
oh, that is just stunning. And I know a lot of people don't like a lot of glow, but it's totally optional. I like to glow. Highlight is my favorite, so you can always add more, you can always add less. Whatever you prefer. I don't know what these lashes are that I've used. I literally have had these forever, which is probably disgusting, but it is what it is. I'm so nervous to put these on. I don't want to mess up my eyeliner. No, I don't want my eyes to water. Okay, hopefully they're on, they're gonna stay. Now we're going to go hit the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take a smudger brush and take that deep brown shade that we used to the destination and just kind of pack that right on the lash line. Then I'm gonna take a small blending brush and go in with that kind of burnt orangey shade and just
kind of blend. Whoa.
And just kind of blend it out. Now I'm going to be jumping into my BH Cosmetics bronzer and highlight palette and taking a small angled brush and going into the shade Powdered Sugar. Just going to be hitting the inner corners of my eye to make those pop. And then also taking that shade right on my brow bone. Next, just taking my Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes mascara and going in on my bottom lashes. And I really want a brown eyeliner, but I don't have one. But I do have this LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil in the shade Dark, which is actually brown. So I'm gonna try and see if this will work in my lower lash line, just because I want to stick to the brown color sheen we have going on here. That side did not really work at all. I guess I'll just go in with this black. For lips today, I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade 70. This is like just the perfect fall color lip. Like, it is so pretty. It just reminds me of like leaves falling. Oh, it's just so pretty. Next, I'm going to do my per usual setting spray. I'm going to be taking the Milani Make It Last and then going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray.
These two are just... What is going on right now?
Okay guys, here is the finished look. I am so in love with this look. Like, this has got to be my #1 favorite all-time look that I've ever done. I have never tried a look like this before, and I'm so happy I did. And thank you to OMG Lashes here on YouTube for the inspiration. I love this look. So glad I was able to create it. I'm so freaking sick to my stomach that it did not record. I'm so sorry for that, guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys still liked this video. I hope you guys still like the look. Fall is my favorite season, so hopefully be expecting a lot of fall looks. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Just give it a thumbs up, just so I don't be so hard on myself for not recording the full entire thing. Thumbs up can help save Shanelle's emotions. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, what kind of fall look you are looking for or would like me to recreate. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Go out and make the world smile. Happy fall!